President Joe Biden made history yesterday by being the first sitting president to join a picket line as he stood in solidarity with the United Auto Workers and backed up their wish to get a 40% raise. Of course, not to be outdone, the wannabe authoritarian dictator that we've been having to deal with for what seems like a lifetime at this point, Donald Grump, will be heading to the area to also give a speech, and he will likely get into his own personal grievances very quickly, as he is wont to do. I am thinking it'll be along the lines of, I know what it's like to not get what you deserve because I did not get what I deserved when I lost the election. It was rigged. And I'm kind of wondering how long it will take to get to the grievance, because you know him, he can't actually advocate for anyone else's prosperity before it immediately derives into his own problems.